Welcome to NIIT. If you are looking for a career that's exciting, future-proof and impactful, cybersecurity is the answer. In this video, I will explain what is cybersecurity, why is it a fantastic career choice, and key roles with responsibilities and average salaries in India. Let's get started. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and sensitive data from digital attacks like hacking, phishing, and ransomware. It's the backbone of our digital world, ensuring today's safety, privacy for businesses and individuals. In simple terms, cybersecurity professionals are digital defenders, safeguarding everything online from threats. But why choose cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is one of the most in-demand careers, and here is why. High demand. With the rise in cyber attacks, companies urgently need skilled professionals, lucrative salaries. Even entry-level jobs offer excellent pay. Diverse opportunities, from ethical hacking to security engineering, there is something for everyone. Future-proof career. Cybersecurity is constantly evolving, offering long-term stability and growth. If you want a career that's both rewarding and impactful, cybersecurity is a great choice. Let's explore some key roles in cybersecurity. Number 1 is security analyst. Security analysts monitor systems for suspicious activity and respond to incidents. On number 2, we have penetration tester. Penetration tester or ethical hacker stimulates attacks to identify and fix vulnerabilities. In number 3, we have cybersecurity engineer. Cybersecurity engineer designs secure systems and protect them from cyber attacks. Number 4 is incident responder. Incident responders handle security breaches quickly and minimize damage. The 5th one is Chief Information Security Officer. CISO lead organization's overall security strategy. From entry-level roles like security analyst to leadership positions like CISO, cybersecurity offers clear growth opportunities with exciting challenges at every stage. Now that you know the career path, here is how you can get started. Join NIIT's 30-week Cybersecurity with Gen AI Advanced program, a comprehensive course designed to prepare you for these roles. What makes this program special? Hands-on learning. You will gain expertise in Linux, Python, networking, cloud computing, InfoSec, ethical hacking, and Gen AI technology. Placement opportunities. NIIT partners with 800 plus hiring companies to help you secure the right job. Mentor-led classes. Learn directly from industry experts for personalized guidance. Whether you're starting fresh or transitioning into cybersecurity, this program provides everything you need to succeed. Click the link in the description to enroll today and start your journey with us. The demand for cybersecurity professionals has never been higher, and now is the perfect time to start your journey. With the right training, you can build a career that's not just rewarding but also impactful. Join NIIT's program today and take the first step towards securing your future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such career insights. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning.